Hello beauty lovers, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how I made this luxury shower gel that helps to clean your skin and also moisturize the skin at the same time. In a beaker, measure out your surfactant phase. We're using sodium cocoa isocyanate and cocoa metropolis betaine. Put it over a double boiler to get a paste. In another beaker, you want to walk through your water phase. In your water, you want to add EDTA, allantoin, stir properly and bring it to the right temperature. Once that is done, you can see our paste, which is our surfactant, it's ready. I'm going to be adding betaine into this water. Betaine helps with moisture. It helps with moisture retention in the skin. And I'm going to be adding a polysaccharide to my water phase. I'm using xanthan gum clear here. And I added butylene glycol to slurry it before adding into my water phase. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to be mixing the two phase together using an overhead stirrer. So if you don't have a overhead stirrer, this could be a little bit of a challenge, but you can do smaller batch using spatula to stir it up. But trust me, when you want to make effective products, you need some machines to help you get your desired product that will be stable and effective at the same time. Right now I'm adding my water phase, and please do check the description box. I'll be leaving the measurements and I'll be leaving a template in case you decide to do a smaller batch or you want to increase your batch size. Okay, I'm going to be leaving everything in the description box. So like I said, for you to do this, you need some machines like this. You can buy the ones that are not so expensive if you look to go into formulation properly or even selling this product. Let me not forget to say that we also produce for brands. So if you're interested, you want us to make something or customize something for you, feel free to send us an email in the description in the excuse me, feel free to send us an email with the mail that you'll see at the description box. So right now I'm adding in my cool down phase. So what I added first was polyquatrum 7, so I used it here at 1.5%. Like I said, just check the description box for everything that you can see me add into this shower gel. I'm adding my panthenol right now. All these are heat sensitive ingredients and you want to add them when your shower gel or your products that you're making is below 40 degrees. And I'm adding in my silobetaline here, which is our major active for this shower gel. Like I said, this shower gel is very effective in reducing inflammation and skin irritation. It helps to moisturize the skin and also stimulate the production of skin cells and reduce allergic reaction. This is a very powerful ingredient. The one I'm using here is at 1% concentration and I'm using it at 5% in this formula. So it depends on what you are making or the purpose you want that shower gel to serve. You can either increase or decrease your cyanobalanin, which is also called vitamin B12. So you can do a little bit of a research by yourself to read more about this interesting active. And this cyanobalanin gave this shower gel this color that you see. There is no extra or synthetic color added to it in any way. I'm adding in my preservative right now and I'm going to stir this properly and make sure that everything mixes and combines before I can bottle my products. So check the description box and make sure that you get everything right. I'm going to also leave a recipe for a 500 gram batch size. So if you think of making a 500 gram or you want to just double it, you can do so. And the templates can also help you make as low as 150 ml or even 100 ml. Get to practice, get perfect before you think of making a larger batch size. So what I'm doing right now is to check the pH. That's another very important thing that you must do if you're into formulation or if you want to start making products to sell or even use on your skin. It's important that you check and balance the pH of your product. That way you're sure that all your ingredients are viable and they will remain stable after production. All right. So once you've taken the pH, if you need to adjust it, you adjust it. But right now, this pH is at 5.5, which is slightly acidic, and it is just perfect for skin usage. This shower gel can serve for people who are suffering from eczema, skin irritation, or inflammation on the skin. If you're suffering from psoriasis, this is the shower gel you want to make for yourself. It is gentle. I've selected 2 surfactants that are mild but also effective and gives a great lather. You don't need, in fact, a little goes a long way in your sponge, and this is very friendly on the skin, very moisturizing. You would not even feel like your oils are being stripped off. It is a very nice shower gel you want to try. Let me know if you're going to be trying out this formula, and if you do, come back to tell me and give me your own honest review. Trust me, I bring you the best. If I have not tried it, I wouldn't give it out. It's a lovely shower gel you need to try. Until I come your way again with another interesting video that would help your business move forward, that will help you as a person, I still remain your favorable girl, Zarina. Keep that glow pumping, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you've watched up to this moment, you're the real VIP. Kindly subscribe, share, and like my video. Thanks for watching.